Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of us that are new here, welcome. Come and join the family. Still don't have a name for you guys, so I don't feel like I'm there yet. Hope everybody had a lovely and spooky October, because I know I did. October was lit this year, Halloween parties, fun, all that good stuff. But now we're moving on to Christmas, because November equals Christmas. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care if you want to have Thanksgiving. So by the title of this video, I'm sure you guys already know what's happening here. If you didn't know, I work for Lush Cosmetics. It's true. So if you haven't seen like my Lush employee hauls or like my past Lush videos, I'll link them below so you can get a little bit more informed. Definitely check out the Lush employee haul, because so much good stuff, so much information, and just, you know, more me. But anyways, as you can tell by the title of this video, we got our staff boxes, our Christmas staff boxes to be exact. So what that basically means is that we got a couple free items, full-size items. Girl, we were all hyped. We were like, ah! And I will be reviewing it, unboxing it, talking about it, putting you guys onto the goods and the goods of the goods, because let's be honest, everything from Lush is phenomenal. Like, I'm not just saying that because like I work there. Facts are facts, America. Like, the proof is in the pudding. All right, so let's get into it, starting with the first item in the box. Look at this. First of all, this is an amazeball. This is the Snow Fairy amazeball. So like if you're a true Lushie, you already know Snow Fairy, reoccurring in the brand. It's a bestseller. It's such a favorite. It smells like pink candy and bubblegum goodness. So this is the amazeball. Now, amazeballs are something totally new that Lush is bringing in. They've never done anything like this before. It's brand new. I'm so lucky. So it's actually a 3-in-1. So this itself is a bath bomb. Inside here, let me actually bring the bath bubble dust. So the bubble bars that Lush creates, the actual bubble bar dust, and there's like little pink crystals in there, which is so
and then cute. Of course, this is an actual bath bomb itself, so you do get 3-in-1 with this product. If you want like a Hollywood bath, a luxurious bath, I recommend you do all 3 steps. So first you would sprinkle out some powder, drop in this little guy, and then drop in the last one, or you can separate it into 3 baths. Totally up to you. But if you ask a Lush employee, we will always recommend they use the whole thing, because you're gonna get like the best bath ever in the world. So why wouldn't you? Hello. 3 lovely things about the beautiful Snow Fairy is that 1, she is naked, meaning she has no packaging. We love that. She has Persian lime in it and also sugar crystals. Hello. We love a cute exfoliating moment, and we love a brightening moment. So hit up a local Lush near you, or get on lush.com, honey. Get you an amazeball. How could you not? Like, literally look at how huge it is. Let me compare it to something. Like, look at it compared to my Rudolph face mask, which we're going to be talking about next. Ew. Now, I gave you a little sneak peek, but here she is. Next item. This is the Rudolph jelly face mask. Now, I love a good jelly face mask. The 1,000 million Hellies, honey, we can talk about that all day. Witch hazel apple juice green tea. That's all I gotta say. Amazing. But this is the Rudolph one. So Rudolph is similar to Cupcake, if you know about that one. It's a fresh face mask, which you can only get on the store, but you can actually get jellies online, so that's awesome. It has Rasul mud. It smells like chocolate pudding down to a science. I don't know what they're doing up at Lush kitchen, but they're killing it. Plus, look at it. How cute is that? It actually has a little Rudolph nose. So I love a good jelly face mask. So fortunate to be able to get an actual full size of this for free. Lush is amazing, and I love them. So that Cupcake got nothing on Rudolph. If you guys know about Cupcake and you love it, try out. Next thing we're gonna talk about is this guy. This is the Snow Fairy Naked Body Conditioner. So similar to the Snow Fairy, amazeball has that true candy yummy scent. I think out of all these scents, I think I find this one honestly the absolute best. Like, we have the Snowflake scent in a dusting powder in the amazeball, but this, for me, like, I don't know, it just smells a little better. It's just my favorite one. It's just my bias. So this is basically the last step of a shower. So think you have already exfoliated and you've lathered up with your soap and you're about to hop out. This is like an in-shower actual body lotion, which is something that I never even thought. Like, I was like, what? Like, why? I always thought that concept was a little weird. Like, why would I put lotion on before I get out the shower? But this will make you feel like everything. It is literally everything. I love a good body conditioner. It just makes you feel so silky smooth. Like, the water droplets literally will fall off your body. It is amazing. So definitely request this. Like, hello, do it, get it, love it, buy it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's gonna make you feel so smooth. Like, who doesn't want that? Especially during that holiday season, girl. It's getting cold. We don't want you looking ashy, okay? We're gonna stick with the theme of shower because I've been jumping all over the place. Moving on, this is the Winterberry soap, honey. She's gorgeous. Look at this. So when I saw this, I was just like, oh yeah, I love it.
It smells fruity.
Kind of like cranberry. I know it has cranberry in it. I believe it has goji berry and dragon fruit, if I'm not mistaken. It is so cute just to even look at. It's so aesthetically pleasing. The colors are gorgeous. It smells like fresh fruit, like icy kind of scent to it, if you will. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it has this like ice smell. Ice, okay? Ice and berries. It's like frozen berries. There we go. This is frozen berries in a soap bar. So if you think you'll like that, honey, she is for you. Moving on. This is the, I think it's called Snow Apple. Pretty sure it's called Snow Apple. Too lazy to double check right now. This is everything. Like, I never thought that I liked the smell of apples on everything. Like, I swore. This is everything. First of all, it's all silver and beautiful. It's taken up after this specific town. Their apples like froze, and Lush took the inspiration from there, which is so cute and so amazing, which is literally Lush. Like, it's cute and amazing all the time. When the silver comes off of this, when you use it a couple times, you are left with the most beautiful green shade that actually has little pieces of plastic-free mica glitter inside of it. It is so gorgeous. I actually bought one because I just couldn't wait, right? You know, she just couldn't calm down. So this is what it will look like after. Still really gorgeous. But this is like the little before and after one use, because this is just like hand pressed glitter on top of it that will come off. It does leave you sparkly and glittery, but once you go to bed, like, it's gone. You wake up with nothing. So don't think like chunky and annoying. Think like apple Swiss bliss. Like, it's like, oh my god, it's a true apple scent. Like, they hit it right on the nose with this one. It's amazing. I love this. I have to buy like 10. I'm gonna be so devastated when holiday's done, because then I'm not gonna be able to get any more. And Lush doesn't even make apple scented things other than in the holiday. It's so hurtful. The next item we will be talking about is the Yag Nog Naked Body Soap. This is so cute. Oh my god, Yag Nog burnt caramel in the best way possible. Like, so yummy. I bought the shower gel, finished it. Bought the body conditioner, finished it. Literally devoured it. I'm a mess. I'm a freaking wreck. But now I have another one.
It's lit.
This is everything. Like, I can't even stress to you. We have a bar that looks like this too. It's called American Cream. That one's here all year round. But this one is only out for the holidays. It is glittery. It is gorgeous. And it looks like an actual bottle. But it's not, because it's naked. So it has no packaging. So once you're done with it, it goes right back into the earth, honey. We don't do waste. What waste? What way? Okay, the next products, I'm gonna talk about two, and we're gonna do them quick because they're bath products, and we were supposed to do that earlier, and she's a mess. So we have the Polar Bear Plunge Bubble Bar. So cute. And then the Snowman Bubble Bar. This has a rainbow stripe, and when you drop it in the water, it actually goes like a whole rainbow, and it's a fast fizzer, so it goes really, really quick. The Polar Pear Plunge Bubble Bar creates bubbles, obviously, hence by the name, and you can just piece it apart and break it apart. If you want like a Hollywood bath, like bubbles up to the sky, you can use the whole thing, you know, if you're feeling fancy, if you want vacation, whatever the case is. But these are both phenomenal. She's a little anticlimactic, but the rainbow is always so cute, so we love that. We love a good rainbow moment.
This
has, I believe, menthol crystals in it, if I'm not mistaken, some type of peppermint. So it's very invigorating. So I actually think like the Polar Plunge, like how people go and do that thing for nonprofit where they go in the water and it's freezing cold, it's gonna give you that stimulation feeling, hence the name, and it's so cute. So hello, get your hands on it. All right, so the final product is Snowflake. Oh my god, let me tell you, the first time I smelled Snowflake, I was like, yep, correct. So much that prior to actually getting the potted version, I have the naked version. Let me pull it up so you guys can see it. So Lush is always trying to have innovative products that don't have packaging and are good for the environment. So we have the Snowflake that comes in the potted version that we do recycle throughout the brand, so you can bring them back, get a free face mask, all that good stuff. And then I have it in the naked version, which comes like a little tub. It's so cute. It's larger than this usually. I use it a couple times, so that's why it looks a little bit baby. So good. It smells like cookies, like icy, like, oh my god, like it's like cookies, the raspberry chocolate rainbow cookies, I believe they are, the Italian cookies. Same but better. They're everything. It's so good. Oh my god, look how pretty it looks. It's brand new. Oh my god, I can't. I live. All right guys, that was everything. They really went off, like they went hard, okay? Like they didn't have to go this hard. They sent us a staff employee box before, and it was pretty much all bath bombs. Now we're talking face masks, we're talking lotions, we're talking bubble bars, and we're like everything you want, like literally. They're so amazing. I'm so blessed to work for this company. They're so great. If you've never heard of Lush, please click the link in the description, linking you to the page, full of information, literally full of great people and honest workers, and it's just everything. I'm gonna cry. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and a subscribe and a comment, all that good stuff, you know, the basic YouTuber stuff, because you know I'm trying to make it, all right? Like, college is tiring. For watching, definitely stay tuned. I should be dropping new content for sure. Like, you know what's coming. You know, you just gotta wait, you just gotta be patient. She works, she goes to college, she does it all, so gotta be patient with me. Bye y'all, hope to see you next time. Don't be fake, like it or dislike it. I mean, if you hated it, totally cool. We always love some honest feedback. Bye y'all.